How to use Canva Photos Library on PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open a new or existing design where you want to add photos. Next, on the left-hand panel, click on the Elements button. Inside Elements, scroll down or look for the Photos section. Here you can access Canva's extensive photos library with millions of high-quality images, including free and premium options. You can browse categories like nature, business, technology, people, food or travel, or use the search bar to find a specific photo for your design. Once you find a photo you like, click on it and it will automatically be added to your canvas. You can resize, crop, flip or adjust the photo using the toolbar above the canvas. You can also apply filters, adjust brightness, contrast, saturation or add effects to enhance your design. For more creativity, combine photos with elements, text, shapes and icons to make your design unique and professional. Now you know how to use Canva Photos Library. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.